We are not seen as judges, really. We're seen as mentors. It is a show, obviously, that celebrates talent, but I also think it's a very educational show. And plus, मुझे reality show judge बनने का बचपन से ही बहुत शौक था. Fashion was a very integral part in my videos. मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल है कि मुझे हमेशा सेक्सी दिखना है. I feel like we've made a fantastic show that you can watch with your family also. You should definitely watch it with your parent in case you're trying to convince them that you want to pursue this as a career. Watch the show. बहुत अच्छा show है.
Thank you, Kusha. It's a real fun moment for us to have you with us. Thank you for joining on India Podcast.
I'm very, very happy to be here and thank you so much for having me.
Kusha, we've always known you like a sensational pioneer in the content space, fashion space, fun space, comedy space, you name it, and you've made your mark there. So with that, now you're in a panelist of a fashion, Myntra Fashion Festival Season 3. So it's different from what we've seen you do. So can you just tell us how this has come to you, like being a panelist and taking call on the fashion judgment of people and the content as together?
Thank you for so many compliments, really. A great ego massage and boost. It was something that I was really looking forward to also because it's such a cool concept, right? At the outset, we get to choose creators who are, already established creators slash influencers. Then the dynamic is not very competition like. It's
Yes.
like they're not called contestants; they're called influencers and creators. So you give them the respect that they've earned and that they've made for themselves. We are not seen as judges, really. We're seen as mentors.
Wow.
So I feel more than anything, I know there has to be a winner at the end, and there is. But more than anything, other than that, I feel like we got to create such cool content throughout the show. We got to comment on things we care about. We got to dig deeper than what most people might think social media is. We truly understand what is the essence of creating content and
Yes.
कितनी मेहनत लगती है उसमें. So I feel it is a show obviously that celebrates talent, but I also think it's a very educational show while also being extremely entertaining. So I feel for a lot of younger creators who are trying to convince their parents that this is a legitimate field, I feel in that sense Myntra Fashion Superstar really pushes that agenda onto the world. So I really like it. And plus मुझे reality show judge बनने का बचपन से ही बहुत शौक था.
That's so nice. And you saying that, I mean, you've been doing something real stuff all the time. But, first time we've seen fashion being judged in a package, like a content making fashion. It's not just about fashion and what you're wearing and how you carry yourself or what style statement. It's more about how you sell it out as a content, is what we understood from what we saw in the promos. So, how was this experience and how did you judge or mentor through that? Because ये combination है ना, सिर्फ fashion तो नहीं है.
ऑफ कोर्स कॉम्बिनेशन है और मेरे लिए फैशन आई टेल यू क्यों बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था मेरी वीडियोस के लिए जब मैं वीडियोस बना रही थी वाज बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स टू ब्रिंग डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स टू लाइफ यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर फैशन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड मे बी
Yes.
हाउ अ साउथ दिल्ली आंटी वुड ड्रेस हाउ मॉम वुड ड्रेस हाउ Ma Vokanand would dress. So like fashion was a very integral part in my videos.
Yes.
At the same time, obviously my work was more fiction sketches. For fashion creators, I feel it's all the more tough because they have to find different ways of making content, right? They don't have a sketch that they follow, they don't have a script that they follow. They have to
Yes.
make, let's say, transition reels and everything. They have to continually think of ways of making their fashion content strong. See, I brought my years of experience as a fashion writer to the table to really talk about the fashion aspect. But मुझसे वो इतना expected भी नहीं था. We had like the likes of Manish Malhotra and Ashna Shroff on the
Yes.
table. We had Santu Misra who've like had years of experience in fashion. And even though I also have experience, I was able to tell them more about how content is created, how content can be engaging, how this could be problematic, how this could be, perceived this manner. So definitely I feel like for creators who make character sketches, fashion is a very integral part to what they want to create for sure, 100%.
Where your true story has been a very engaging aspect of this whole show, if I can say, when I heard about it. How do you wear your fashion that shows your true self? If you can share an anecdote, how do you feel कि you wear your story, your true story through your fashion? whether your characters South Delhi auntie ho ya mom ho ya aap khud, how do you think you carry your true story? Any anecdote that reflects it?
I think more than anecdotes, I feel just the way I choose to dress. I feel like as a mid-sized girl, there are not as many options as you would like for yourself to be there, right? And I constantly keep talking about this on my social media. And the responses I receive only solidify my belief in the fact that, intrinsically fashion is very it can be very non-inclusive, right? It can be super
Yes.
non-inclusive. It can make you feel bad about yourself at times, especially when certain retailers would not carry certain sizes, and it makes you feel like, you are
You don't
just
fit
your
in there.
body. Yeah, you just your body, and there's nothing more to you than that. So I
Yeah.
feel like choosing to sort of always subvert that, wear the silhouettes that people will tell you कि ये नहीं पहन सकते, or wear things that most, how all of these styling articles will tell you that as this shaped person, pear shaped, strawberry shaped, banana shaped, this shape, that shape person, you should wear this and wear that. I feel like so many people are putting in the good work. So many now we have such beautiful plus size influencers, and big girls and mid sized girls trying to always challenge that. So I feel like I wear my fashion in that manner, where I try to wear whatever the hell I want to, and I don't let it make me feel bad about it. On Mintra also I've worn silhouettes that, let's say, don't hide my curves and then accentuate it even more. Obviously for me also I would feel like, oh, I don't know how it's going to look like, but thankfully I was surrounded by people who really encouraged me to do that. So yeah, I feel like choosing to not give up on my I feel like fashion statements just because I'm a particular size is how I wear my story. So yeah.
Like also in your content making, Kusha, because do you think it's important for you to have your own style जब आप अपना content बनाते हैं, because that's what also an integral part of this, and you have done that. I think you still carry your own personality and style in every kind of content you improvise and get out into, or in a new character. So how much that you think was something you took away from this whole show, or you found something new with people doing it around?
I genuinely feel personality is also something. I mean, some people are very lucky to have found their personalities at like tender ages of 16, 17, and 20. I feel
Yes.
personality and knowing who you are also comes, it's a gift of age, it's a gift of experience, it's a gift of, let's say, working many jobs and finally finding that one job you love. So I feel
Yes.
it's a very gradual gift that comes in bouts, right? You just don't wake up one day with a personality. It's the sum of the people you're surrounded with, some of the experiences you've had, some of the experiences you've not had.
True.
So definitely for me to be able to know what my style statement is, it's taken years. It's taken years of self-doubt, trying bangs, then no bangs, then more bangs, then certain bangs, then bad haircuts, good haircuts, kajal lined eyes. We did what was required of the fashion of that time. But finally, I think once you hit that late 20s is when you really realize. And for some people, it could be much later. It's different
Yes.
for everyone. Do you realize that what your style statement is? And now, once you find it, now you don't want to do away with it because इतनी मुश्किल से मिला है, इतनी शिद्दत से मिला है. Now I want to wear it anywhere and everywhere I can.
So,
But अगर आप
actually,
मुझसे पूछेंगी ना कि मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल क्या है, मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल है कि मुझे हमेशा सेक्सी दिखना है.
I think
Always.
you are, yeah.
Yeah.
But that takes me to the next segment. You really picked me to the next question. We actually planned it that we want to know your style in different mood. Now you've told me your style is sexy dikhna hai. So how do you look sexy? I was asking about fashion though pehle, when you're zoned out.
Oh, when I'm zoned out, it's definitely like an oversized t-shirt that I'll just knot and make it like a crop top and just wear like a skirt because it's the easiest outfit to put on.
Yes.
And I'm not kidding, 80% of the time you'll see me in like a really like a t-shirt just crunched up into a knot and like a skirt. So yeah.
Wow. And if you give it, like you're lazy, but you have to go to work.
Oh, 100% an oversized shirt with like maybe flared leggings or something like that, and
Yes.
just drop that with one side of the shirt to one side to make it look like that's asymmetrical and it's off shoulder from one side. So yeah.
And the last one is wearing a fake smile. Like you have a fake day. What do you think your style would be?
अब क्या है ना कि अब मैं फेक स्माइल करती नहीं हूँ. अब मैं उस जोन में ही नहीं हूँ लाइफ में. अब आई एम लाइक इफ आई एम पिस्ड, आई एम पिस्ड. आई एम सो डन being a giving person. So in that sense, I would literally not show up. I would switch my phone off. So if you wanted to make a fashion statement, just switch your phone off and go to sleep, or just
How
Netflix
nice.
and chill with yourself.
It's like Miss Anya thing. So we have one more last segment with you. I think Chetna from my team is going to take on that.
Hello, hi.
Hi,
So,
Chetna.
like you were saying, कि हमेशा sexy दिखना है, and I think we've taken that inspiration from our queen Pooh. And I know how much you are obsessed with her, and how much I'm obsessed with her.
More than Pooh, I'm obsessed with Rekha ji. Rekha ji is always
Wow.
very like sexy, dikhna hai, right? She's always even in a beautiful Kanjivaram sari, she's like the epitome of like sexiness and like of desire, of passion.
And always
So
chic.
yeah,
Yeah.
always chic. So like that is more my idea. Obviously, Pooh is a character that shaped all of us. I'm sure everybody
Yes.
here has a rite of passage where they believed that they were Pooh.
Yes.
So yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna call some of the trends, and you have to react to them as Pooh, or if you want, you can react to them
Rekha
as
ji.
Rekha ji.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one was Crocs.
Minus.
The second one, I think it's the denim on denim.
Okay, next is denim on denim.
If I'm not wrong, तो परसों के दिन भी तुमने यही पहना था ना, तुमको काफी सूट करता है.
So relevant, so relevant. And
Okay,
do we
the
have
last
one
one
more?
would be the airport looks.
Airport looks would be I like it. I like it.
So original, I swear, so original, Kusha. You're just there with everything on the tip of it. Thank you, Chetna, for those questions. And Kusha, my question to you is how you define the true version of yourself now that we're talking about, wearing your true self. So in one line, if you had to define your true self, what would it be?
Oh God, how do you describe yourself in like one word? Lazy.
Lazy.
No. No. No, but I would definitely say one word that describes me would be always hungry, and not just for food, like just for experiences, for knowing more, curious, always curious, asking questions, too many questions. So yeah.
Yes. Actually, that is true. Also, we see that in your content. You quite improvise very fast. And how was your experience as a whole with the whole show that we see streaming on from November 11th? What was the experience to be with MM? As I said, I heard Ankush and Ashna call him. So, how was this whole experience? If you have to wrap it
With
up.
Manish, obviously, we all were constantly fanboying and girling
Oh,
around
wow.
him. So there was full fan moment. But he's so chill. Manish is somebody who can choose to not engage with us too much, because he doesn't need to.
Oh, really?
But yeah, I feel like he doesn't have to, right? He doesn't have to
Yeah.
like go over a professional relationship, but like he really took the time out to understand who we are, what we make, and he had so much respect for the work we do.
Yes.
And he didn't speak down to us. He always treated us as an equal on that table, despite him having several years of experience, way more than his entire career is. If you put together our collective careers, he's worked more than all of us put together, right? So for him to give us the respect which like most people from his generation would not, ये तो millennials हैं, ये तो ऐसे ही हैं. That really made us feel very, very nice on set. Other than that, I am just so proud of every single person who's worked on it, from the showrunners to the director to the creative directors to Mintra team to the influencers we chose to the judges we have, Ankush, Ashna, Santu, my
Yes.
peers. And I feel like we've made a fantastic show, truly a show that you can watch with your family also, because it's so exciting, because every week there is a new challenge, right? Anybody can watch it, and I feel like you should definitely watch it with your parent in case you're trying to convince them that you want to pursue this as a career. So definitely watch the show. ये बहुत अच्छा show है. अच्छा शो है, मेहनत से बनाया है, अच्छे से एडिट किया है, अच्छी स्टोरी सामने आई है, डाइवर्स ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. डेफिनेटली अ शो मैं तो देखूंगी.
और हम भी देखेंगे because we are so happy to have you and your entire amazing panel. I think this is the one thing that has all driven people talking about it is you guys are really amazing individually, and I think we get a bouquet through this whole Mintra Superstar Festival that is coming for this fashion
For
thing.
sure,
And
for sure.
thank you so much, Kusha, and really, really nice of you to take our time. And we look forward to great content from you every day.
Thank you.